EG Tech Research Institute is India's exclusive research organization established for the purpose of creating awareness on scientific and analytical instrumentation in the scientific community. With our institutionally certified courses, we provide research and training on high-tech analytical and scientific instruments used in pharmaceutical, chemical and advanced technologies industries. Our organization, in association with universities and government and private colleges, conducts training programs and seminars in Central India.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So let me take to this PowerPoint mode. Okay, so once again, good afternoon, everyone. And thank you for your participation here. So as you can read here, we are going through Waters Advanced LC and MS technology. So it will be a kind of brief overview of Waters liquid chromatography technology and mass technology. Okay, so close to 50 minutes to 1 hour I will take to go through the entire session, entire slides. Okay. So this is agenda. I will start with Waters corporate overview because I would like you to know what is Waters company and what we are doing at Waters for our customer. Then the current technology, UPLC and UHPLC technology, which is current and the future of all the industries, not only pharma, but pharma, food, chemical industries, health science, and the university research as well. Then third one is the HPLC technology, which is we will discuss in detail what is HPLC and what Waters offer in terms of HPLC. Then one innovative technology, QDA, which is a small mass detector. Generally, we say a mass spectrometer. So, but this is so simple, so easy to use. So that is why we compare this technology with a kind of optical detector like PDA. So that is why we call this QDA as a detector. It is not a mass spectrometer, but it's a simple detector. And last one, I would just go through mass spectrometry technology, which is triple quadrupole and the TOF technology. A couple of slides are there just to give you a brief introduction of the mass spectrometry and its application. So this is an overview of the agenda. So I would like to start with Waters company. So Waters has a deliberate technology focus. So if you look at here in this slide, Waters offers only two technologies, separation science and mass spectrometry. So now coming to the understanding of our customers, we really want to understand our customers' problem in depth, and after understanding the problems, challenges, we come out with the technology. So what modifications people are doing in HPLC to take advantage of kind of UPLC technology. So our competitors, sometimes they come with a technology which is 8,000 to 9,000 psi, and they try to reduce the system delay volume, inject control, and then they try to achieve the resolution. But still, if you look at here, the resolution is less, 1.4. So our ideal resolution should be at least more than 1.5. Okay. So this is our UPLC H-class system. This is quaternary solvent manager pump. This is auto sampler, which is flow through needle, and column heater. The last part is the detector. So the pump, auto sampler, and detectors are a core system. So it will be a common part for UPLC. Detector can be variable based on the application. It can be UV, PDA, it can be fluorescence, it can be MS detector as well. So it's choice of our customer which detector they want to use. Okay, so coming to the parameters, pump can go up to 15,000 psi, and the flow rate is up to 2.2 ml. It's a low pressure quaternary gradient system with active check valve to support low flow rates like 0.1, 0.2 ml per minute. And it has a lot of other inbuilt technology like AutoBlend Plus and Gradient Smart Start to run many applications like size exclusion and the ion exchange.